Hello everyone. So today is the 26th after Christmas and I ate a lot on Christmas Day. I want to avoid this kind of chunky belly, so I have to do a deep detox to lose some pounds, calories and avoid belly fat as well. So in order to make our detox soup, the first ingredient we'll be using will be cabbage. We'll be using a lot of good natural detox ingredients, but cabbage is the first. This sends you to your restroom to flush out all the excess foods, fats, whatever you ate, so it gets out of your system. Like, this is a very powerful metabolism booster, and consuming it as soup keeps you full, so you eat just this for the whole day. Like, this is your food for one day that you eat to really flush out everything. Cabbage has a lot of fiber which will keep you so full. If you're looking to lose weight, fiber should be your friend, and cabbage has less calories, which is very good for weight loss as your meal for weight loss. Plus, it helps to boost your metabolism. Like, it takes you to your restroom, which is what we want, to flush out all the excess food store up from Christmas, and equally to like prevent the store up of fat in your belly, causing belly fat later. So this is half a cabbage sliced into whatever shapes you want, but you need just half a cabbage for one day. So this is food for one day for deep cleansing to lose some calories and belly fat. Now, the second ingredient I'll be adding in here, which is very good for weight loss, is mint leaf. And it actually makes this cabbage soup taste so well while helping you break down everything you've eaten, fastening your metabolism so nothing stores up from Christmas, causing that chunky belly after Christmas. This is so good. If you can lay your hands on mint leaves, that will be so perfect. It equally helps to give that fresh, beautiful taste to your cabbage soup, because trust me, you don't want to make this boring. If it is boring, you end up throwing it. So I like to make it to be nice in the mouth, so I eat everything. I don't end up throwing because it doesn't taste good. So this is so good to burn the fats, plus it will add some good flavor to your cabbage soup. So nice. The next ingredient I'll be adding, which is ginger, is very good at awakening and boosting your metabolism, heating up your system to burn fat, plus it helps to add taste to your soup as well, so it doesn't get boring to eat. Like, you want this thing to taste in your mouth and equally help you burn fats. Ginger does both. It gives flavor and equally help you burn down fats as well. So you want to get like, what you want to achieve is like a tablespoon of ginger. So you want to shred your ginger or you ground, whatever. So it's easy for me this way. I just like get it and use my grater to grate it out. So what I want to achieve is a tablespoon of ginger. So depending on how you want it to taste, you can add more if you want to, but a tablespoon is just okay. So the next thing I'll be adding will be garlic. Three garlic. Garlic is very good for cleansing. Your heart loves garlic. Your system loves garlic to cleanse it, and it equally helps to facilitate the breakdown of food and help you cleanse your system, like keeps your system clean, so you don't end up with all the toxins due to excess bacteria or dirt in your system. Like, this is so good. So this is my ginger and garlic in there. I'll be adding onion. Onion too is very good for cleansing. Very, very good. Even though it is a spice, trust me, most of the spice we have in the kitchen are medicine. We cook food with. That is why you cook, eat, and you stay healthy, because you are indirectly eating natural medicine in the form of food. So this is it. This helps to cleanse your system too of bacteria and leaves it so clean. It helps you detox by cleansing your system. So I did not want to waste much of your time. I had to do this off camera. This is carrots. So I just like to add some carrots in here to increase the quantity of the soup, because this is what I'll be eating for today. Like, this is my meal. You can split into 4 portions or 3 portions, but this is just what you'll be eating today for full body detox. So I'll be using some olive oil to make this soup with, because olive oil is healthy and you need healthy fats to help your system easily absorb all the other ingredients. Healthy fats help you burn bad fats, so we need olive oil here. You can use coconut oil. I have coconut oil, but I know everyone has olive oil, so I alternate There are times I'll use coconut oil, there are times I'll use olive oil. So those are 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I've added in my onion. Now I'm adding in the carrots. So I like adding the ingredients gradually, and so it when I put my just watch what I do anyway. So this is how I do mine. I add in my the crushed ginger and garlic now. So I want my flavor and ingredients too, but I'm not frying for long. Like, this is on low heat, just trying to get the ingredients not taste raw in the mouth, like kind of, if you're a woman, you understand what I'm talking about. So that is my chicken flavor. You can use any flavor you want. Chicken flavor is what I'll be using. That is cayenne pepper. I'll be using cayenne pepper. That is another spice that helps you burn fat. That is optional. If you don't have cayenne pepper, that is fine. But trust me, if you add cayenne pepper in here, you make this even more effective, because cayenne pepper is very good at heating up your system to burn fat. If you don't have cayenne pepper and you are in Africa, you can replace with our African pepper. Like the hot Cameroon pepper is good to heat up your system and help you really break down and burn down some calories. So this is it. I want to mix this cabbage in my ingredients so it like gets into the ingredients, so it tastes good, and I'll add in some water. So I don't add in a lot of water. These are like 2 cups of water, or you can use 3 cups of water depending on the size of your cup. 3 cups is good. If you want a lot of water, you can use 4 cups, and just leave it to cook for like 20 minutes. So it doesn't really cook too much. Depending on the heat you're using, don't allow it to cook too much. When you see it looking like this, know your soup is okay. You don't want this cabbage or the soup to overcook. Like, just cook a little bit, not too ready. Yeah, that is when you want to off your stove. Like I mentioned earlier, if you don't have cayenne pepper, this is what our hot African pepper looks like. You can use this kind of pepper, which is very good. So this is the soup. Look, it tastes so good in the mouth. I wish you were here to try this. And this is so filling, because cabbage is a lot of fiber you have in there, and fiber keeps you so full. Cabbage helps to boost your metabolism, like it helps you visit your restroom and push everything out of there. So this is my food for the 26th of December, to help me cleanse my system, flush out all the excess food I ate on Christmas Day, because trust me, I ate my life. I enjoy it. I visited like 3 friends, and I enjoy it. Yeah, so this is my cleanse, and trust me, whenever I do this, I lose a lot of pounds. Like, pounds go down, because this is what I'll be eating the whole day. Whole day. If you feel like eating some other thing, just drink coffee, or you drink your green tea. That is it. No other food or drink, or just water. So yeah, this is it. I hope someone finds this video helpful. I thought of sharing with you so you can join me, so we don't come out with pot bellies after Christmas, but we still have to eat and enjoy. So this is the same thing you want to do on New Year. After New Year, you can do this so you prevent coming out with that chunky belly after New Year. So this is a secret I just shared with you. I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, so we can all stay healthy and in shape without gaining a lot of weight, causing all the obesity, leading to other health complications like high blood pressure, diabetes, hypertension, and the rest. Staying in shape is very important for your health than even beauty, because most of us want to get back in shape just to look good. But trust me, getting back in shape or having a healthy size is like a ticket to living a very healthy life free of sicknesses. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.